if you want to disable two-factor authentication on your Netflix account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account settings are updated. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Netflix website and sign in using your username and password. Make sure you are using the account for which you want to disable two-factor authentication. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, hover over your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Find Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, scroll down to the Security section. Here, you will find options related to your account security features, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Look for the option that mentions two-factor authentication. Click on it, and you should see an option to disable or turn off the feature. Follow the prompts to confirm your choice. Step 5. Save changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, make sure to save any changes you made. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that the feature has been successfully turned off. Now you can enjoy your Netflix experience without the extra layer of security. Always remember to keep your account secure by using a strong password.